And now we're going to see how to use the hidden weight programs in case my customer doesn't want to see any sticky weights on this wheel between the spokes. So what I'm going to do after I've done the first spin, and as you can see I have an unbalance of 20 grams external, 10 grams internal. What I do, I just select this icon to split the weights between the spoke, enter. Now I will have to place one of the spokes at 12 o'clock, exactly at 12 o'clock, and press enter. And now I will have to tell the machine the next spoke at 12 o'clock and enter again. And as you can see now on the external page, the machine split the weights. So as you can see, I will have 5 grams exactly behind this spoke. So by placing my 5 grams over there and taking them here, they go exactly behind the spoke. When I've done the first one, I just go to the next one. So as you can see, we had 5 there and 15 here, which is exactly behind the next spoke. This way we won't see any weight between them. Another program I'd like to show you is the optimization program. When is used? This program is used when the unbalance is too high. So in case we have more than 2.5 ounces, in that case this will suggest me how much to spin the tire into the rim. So if 90 or 180 degrees. So we just enter, we will place the valve, the pressure valve, at 12 o'clock, press enter as the monitor says, and as you can see in this case it's not a big amount of weight on this tire, so it tells me to rotate it 180 degrees, mark the external side of the tire. So in this case we just take a line on this, which is exactly at the opposite of the pressure valve. And now what we have to do, we have of course to break the bead on the tire and bring the white line that was here exactly on the valve. We talked about before the weight management program. This program is an accessory, so it's not included in the machine. This program basically makes you save weights, a lot of weights. When you enter this program, if you remember, we had 20 grams and 10 inside. As you can see, it reduced the amount of weight you will put. And of course it changed the position too, because this program doesn't just take off some of the weight, it just calculates another position where it allows me to use a bit less of weight. So as you can see, we have 5 grams and 10 grams. And now we are in the turtle mode. This is usually used for commercial vehicles, so for cars not too fast, I would say up to 100 miles. If you press enter on this, then we enter in the rabbit mode. This of course will use a bit more weight because more accurate. This is what I usually use on cars, so all the cars. When I go up to the next icon and enter, this page shows me actually how much weight I save. Of course this is a brand new machine, so I haven't saved any weight for now. But as you can see, this is the amount you would have used without the weight management program. This is the amount of weight you use by using the weight management. And of course you can also reset it on 0 every day or every week to see in a day or in a week or in a month how much weight you saved. This is used especially for the sticky weights. Here we still have the icon where I can select the program, so I can go from the aluminum programs to the dynamic to the static. And again we have optimization and hidden weight.